My child, I will restore everything that was stolen. You will recover, my child. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. What's about to happen next will cause you to rejoice. I am up to something incredible. You are entering into the powerful new chapter. Something incredible is entering your life. Be ready for life-changing opportunity. Magic will happen when you don't give up, even though you want to. I am fall in love with a stubborn heart. Be grateful that life offers second chance, fresh start, and new opportunities to change course. If you trust me like you claim you do, why you doubt your manifestation? Stop being impatient by questioning the timing of what you deserve. My child, your path is already cleared. Your love is already aligned. Your abundance is already accumulated. Your success is already set. My child, every situation, I am always with you. I love you, my child.